Hello my dear students. Here in today's video I am going to discuss about wildlife, the endangered and extinct animals. I am also going to discuss about the various type of protected area where this wildlife can be protected. So this is the second video from the chapter conservation of plants and animals. So have a look till the end. So here I am going to discuss about wildlife. Now, what is wildlife? The term wildlife is commonly used to represent the non-domesticated animals living in a natural habitat. Our country India is endowed with a particularly rich biological heritage that I already discussed in the previous video. But due to the increasing population, deforestation, global warming, habitat conversion, overhunting, environmental degradation, the population of these wild animals have been decreasing in the recent years. And due to these increased human activities like deforestation, building of dams, the natural habitat of the wildlife are destroyed, and this has disturbed the balance that existed in the nature. So here we are going to discuss about the endangered and extinct animals. We often get confused about these two terms, endangered and extinct. Endangered animals are those that were once found abundantly on this earth, and dramatically and drastically their numbers have been dropped. This happened because they could not adjust to the changes in the environment that is caused due to human activities, and now their very existence is in danger. So in other words, we can say that such animals are in danger of becoming extinct in the near future. For examples like Asiatic lion, leopard, tiger, giant squirrel of India, gharial, green turtle, mountain gorilla, Galapogas penguin. So many animals are endangered animals found in India. Come the extinct animals. Now, extinct animals are those that were once living but no longer exist now. That is, they have been completely eliminated from the earth. For example, very common example is the dodo bird, which was found in the Mauritius. Due to the ruthless killing of this bird for its flesh, it has become extinct. The next animal, that is dinosaur. Now this got extinct many years ago before the human came into existence on this earth. Now this is the natural part of evolution, but sometimes extinction happens at a much faster rate than usual. For example, at the end of the Cretaceous period, like 65 million years ago, a mass extinction caused the death of many different types of animals and the plants, including dinosaurs. Now, today, human intervention is also causing rapid extinction. Some of the extinct animal of India includes the Asiatic cheetah, pink-headed duck, and Indian oroch. The danger of becoming extinct is much more for small animals than that of the bigger ones. Animals like snakes, frogs, lizards, bats, etc. are killed in large number without realizing that they have an important role in the ecosystem. They are an integral part of the food chain and food webs. International trade in the live animals, in skins and hides for the leather industry, and for other products such as bones, horns, nails, musk is a threat to wildlife. Now, as I discussed that this wildlife has been becoming extinct day by day, so how to protect this? The conservation of biodiversity has become a global concern. So, in order to make the method of conservation of forest and wildlife more effective, a network of protected area is established by the government. Now, this includes the national parks, the sanctuaries, and the biosphere reserves. Now, have a look about the various type of protected area and their particular definitions. I often get confused about these three terms: national park, sanctuaries, and biosphere reserves. Now, what is the basic difference about these three terms? Let me discuss. First is the biosphere reserve. Biosphere reserves are multi-purpose protected area which are meant for preserving not only plants and animals but also the traditional lifestyle of the tribals living in that particular area. Very important example here is the Pachmari Biosphere Reserve, which was created as a biosphere reserve in 1975 under the Man and Biosphere program of UNESCO. Next is the Nilgiri Biosphere Reserve, which was the first biosphere reserve established in India in 1986. Next come the national parks. National parks are the areas that are maintained by the government and reserved for the betterment of the wildlife. Here, cultivation, grazing, forestry, and habitat manipulation are not at all allowed in these areas. Now, it preserves the flora, fauna, landscape, and historical objects of the area. The first national park of India was Jim Corbett National Park, which was established in 1936. Next come the sanctuaries. Sanctuaries are the areas where the wild animals and birds can take refuge without being hunted. For example, the Bharatpur Bird Sanctuary. Killing, poaching, and capturing of animal is totally prohibited here. Other activities like collection of forest products, harvesting of timber, private ownership of land, etc., are allowed, but to some extent, that they do not adversely affect the wildlife. Now, a biosphere reserve is a very large area where many national parks and wildlife sanctuaries can be within it. For example, Satpura National Park and the two wildlife sanctuaries like Bori and Pachmari sanctuaries are the parts of the Pachmari Biosphere Reserve, which is present in Madhya Pradesh. So here you can understand the differences between the three protected areas. So my dear student, today's topic was up to this. I hope you have liked and understood the various aspects of the wildlife, their conservation and their importances. In the next upcoming video, I am going to discuss about the deforestation and its effect on the environment. So please stay tuned with me. For that, do subscribe my channel if you have not yet done, and do share the videos if you find it interesting and helpful for you, and do press the like button. That's all for today. Thanks. Take care. Bye.